Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is the Drop Plus Garage, and today we're going to be working on this 1965 Ford Mustang. It's an original coupe, 289 car, 2-barrel. As you can see, I've already done an extensive amount of metal work on it. Everything from floor pans, some rocker arm repair. We did front aprons, radiator core supports, trunk extensions, tail pan. This is pretty much the major portion left here. As you can see, we still need to skin out this quarter panel, as well as this wheelhouse here. So as with most aftermarket replacement panels, they do not fit very well at all. So we're going to have to do some work to this wheelhouse to get it to match up and fit the outer quarter panel skin. Right now we're going to start by sectioning it up, because right now currently this radius doesn't match up or fit into the quarter panel radius. It needs to be shrunk in just a little bit, and some more fitment issues have to be dealt with attaching it to the inner wheelhouse. So we're going to get started on that today, and that's really all we have so far. So I hope you enjoy. Let's get grinding. Safety first.